Some 80 million Europeans with disabilities live in the EU, and as the population ages, that figure is set to increase. Parliament wants to make sure people with disabilities have the best possible access to everyday products and services. New measures include ensuring wheelchair and deafblind access to services like ticket machines and cash points, that air, bus and rail passenger services are properly adapted, and that digital services from online banking to e-books and software take into account the needs of the disabled. The new rules will also encourage businesses to innovate with more accessible products and services. And because it would be unreasonable to force every small retailer to build a fully accessible online shop, micro-enterprises will either be fully or partially exempted from the new law.